In today's video, I'm going to teach you where to find Google Business Profile. If you want to locate and manage your Google Business Profile, the first thing to do is make sure you are signed into the correct Google account, meaning the account connected to your business. This is important because your business profile management options will only appear if you're logged into the right account. Once you're signed in, one of the easiest ways to find your profile is through Google search. Go to Google and type your exact business name into the search bar, along with your city if needed. Using the business name and location helps narrow the results and makes it easier to find the correct listing, especially if there are similar business names in other areas. You can also simply search for the phrase "my business" while signed in. Google may then show the business profile that is linked to your account. This is often the fastest option if your profile is already set up and you have the proper access. Another way to find your listing is through Google Maps. Open Google Maps on your browser or in the app, then search for your business name and city. This is useful if you want to see how your business appears on the map and confirm that customers can find the right location. If you're using a phone, you can also open the Google Maps app and look for the business option near the bottom right area of the screen. Tapping that section can help you access the business tools connected to your account. This is especially convenient if you prefer managing things on mobile instead of using a desktop computer. There's also a direct route. If you want to go straight to the management area, you can visit the official Google Business Profile page, where Google provides access to the dashboard and business management tools. This can save time if you don't want to search manually each time. If your profile is already created, finding it should only take a few seconds using any of these methods. If you don't see your business right away, double check that you're signed into the correct account and that you're using the exact business name. Small differences in spelling can affect search results. That's how to find your Google Business Profile using Google Search, Google Maps, the mobile app, or the direct Google Business Profile page. Once you've located it, you'll be ready to manage your business information more easily.